congratulations to the people who got their desired seats yesterday. Now the major next step. There was a recent notice about the hybrid joining of the colleges this year. Let's see what it is. So basically there are three types of candidate now. One who have got the desired seat and doesn't want to shift to any other college, that would be the people who want to retain their seat. Second would be one who have got a seat, don't want to risk that seat, but if possible they want to get upgraded to a better college or a better choice, they think so. And the third one who doesn't want a seat. The retention candidates have two options. They can either join online or offline. If offline is not possible, they can just mail their documents to the respective colleges, pay the required fee and then retain their seat. The second candidate who have got a seat but want to go for the next round hoping for a better seat, but also at the same time don't want to risk the seat that he has got. So such candidate have only the option of joining the college physically. They don't have an option of online joining. This candidate need to go to the college, physically report, verify their document, and most important, they have to pay the full fee of the college. So any candidate who want to go for upgradation, he needs to pay his full fee. And the third candidate who don't want the seat can simply reject the seat. It is the round one. You have a right to get a free exit. So such candidate does not need to do anything. You will be automatically considered for the second round and your non-reporting will be considered as your rejection of the seat. And the most important part, the confusion that might have been from the last night, whether I should join, whether I should retain, whether I should go for upgradation. I will surely come with a video for it, how you should decide whether you want to go for an upgradation, you want to go for an retention, or you want to reject the seat. Congratulations once again for the people who have got their seat. Those who haven't, don't lose the hope. There are still 2 more rounds. Best luck.